Hi guys, welcome to GoKids video. Today, we're looking at a Disney Plane surprise egg. It's a bright orange egg with Dusty the Crop Hopper on the wrapper. I wonder what we'll find inside. Let's take a look. Is a keychain maze. It's really tough to open up this bag. Have you tried one of these before? You have to navigate the little ball through the maze. It's really cool. Next, we have a silver packet. Can you guess what's inside? That's right, it's a delicious cookie. I'll save that for later. Next is a sheet showing us all the surprises we might find in our Disney Planes egg. Should we collect them all? Finally, we have a really cool sticker of Ripslinger. Have you seen him in the Disney Planes movie? He's so fast! Let's look at everything we got today. There's a cookie, a keychain, and a sticker from Disney Planes. What's your favorite? Thanks for watching, guys. For more great videos, subscribe by clicking the button below.